Hello, here we got a 2GR two-wheel drive U660 transmission. Today we're going to show you guys a common issue with the JDM replacement. The JDM replacement comes with this flat plate cover, and the USDM models do not have this flat plate cover, so we're going to teach you how to swap it over. The USDM models with the 2GR all-wheel drive and two-wheel drive U660 trans come with a cover similar to this one, like this. It comes with a bracket coming out. You put the bolt there and mount it to the chassis. All right, moving forward. So basically, first things first, you take off the covers, about 15 bolts all around. Here we have it off already. Once you take it off, there's these seals that go here in the middle. These sometimes tangle off easily. We put grease on it to make it stick good. So this one, you're gonna make sure it's secure on the other cover that you're gonna put on here, which is the original from your vehicle. So when you're putting the cover back in, you have to make sure that this whole thing is in perfectly. So sometimes you think it's in, but it's truly not in. The reason, or the way, sorry, of finding how it's in fully is by looking at the speed sensor on the bottom. The speed sensor has to be in the center of those grooves there. Once it's in the center, that's how you know it's in. Common issue when putting this back in is that there's a washer behind. That washer gets loosened up and it doesn't allow this to go fully in. So make sure that washer's fine. If you have to take this out, take it out. Make sure the washer's straight and then put it back in. But make sure that the speed sensor is in the center, like that. Once you do that, you should be fine. And then you can seal it back up, put your original cover back in, but always make sure that this is firm in there and that these seals or gaskets, whatever you want to call them, are firm in there as well. And that's about it. Thank you.